mega camp, and today we are holding this camp. So we started at 10 o'clock onwards from my court, including other 7 courts. All the Mamlatdar are today. They started with all the mutation cases. In especially, for example, in my court, as of now, and court 2, I'm holding an additional charge of court 2 also. As of now, almost 45 people are attended here. Most of them are advocates, and the people, some of them cases are direct cases. They were already disposed. As of now, we have started at 10 o'clock. I think it's now 12 o'clock. In 2 hours, we have almost disposed 45 cases. Okay, and 5 cases there is a no link documents. Few people came for to collect the notices also. So hopefully we are successful in this camp, and details will give it at around 5 o'clock. So also we are also taking the cases of city survey also. So afternoon session will take the city survey cases. So hopefully we are going to dispose almost more than 300 cases today.
What are the numbers of pending cases?
So pending cases now, the number is around 1,200, including the that form 13, the sub register is transferring to here. The main issue of the, although it is 1,200, what the people do, online cases, and simultaneously people are also sending the offline cases, and there is a duplication. So we are verifying that also. We found, especially in my court and court 2, we found around 150 cases which are duplication. So these, if these cases are already mutated, then the death cases will be rejected. So accordingly the number will come down. Okay.
Yes, right.